Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to use a split screen on your iPhone iOS 26. So basically, if you want to use a split screen on your iPhone as you use a split screen on your Android, because this feature is still a mystery in the iPhone, because latest in iOS 26 is coming up or is live on your iPhones. So if you want to get that feature on your iPhone iOS 26 and you use a split screen on your iPhone, then how you can get that? So there is still a doubt that that split screen option will be available in iOS 26 or later. But if you want to use it now, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply download an app in the App Store. For this, you have to simply search for the split screen apps which are available on the App Store, and you can simply search for it. And after that, you can simply use on your iPhone by using simply split screen two windows at the same time. So here you can simply open a app, and after that you have to simply open the app and you can simply use it without any problem. So here you can simply see that in one window I am using YouTube, and in another window I am using a browser. So if you want to use that simple split screen on your iPhone, then you have to simply download and install that app. Otherwise, there is no such option available in us of a split screen on your iPhone iOS 26, because the iPhone has still not yet provided the split screen feature on their iPhone. So you have to wait for some time so that there may be feature available in future updates. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.